Tell me what you gonna be, cause this ain't what you want. We on that fucking remix, nigga, this ain't what you want. That 40 gon' squeeze my nigga, this ain't what you want. That chopper in the backseat, this ain't what you want. We on the fucking Xannies, this ain't what you want. We blow like candy, this ain't what you want. We leave these niggas and be, this ain't what you want. We sparking that niggas loud, this ain't what you want. And that chopper gon' blow loud, cause these niggas talking loud. I don't give a fuck, nigga, bet my clip 100 rounds. Take your whole block down. I don't really give a fuck, cause when that bitch shooting, it lift a fucking Mack truck. Yeah, I got the Mac on me, leave a nigga back hungry. I don't give a fuck, cause the kush straight clap, homie. I don't really give a fuck, the 40 go clap, homie. Make a nigga get back like he fucking crack, homie. I don't really give a fuck, yeah, I gotta sell it now. Blowing on these kush clouds, yeah, I got it wallet out. Niggas wanna play with me, put a band on your teeth. Niggas wanna talk shit, I don't really give a fuck. Blow it off the Xanny, niggas talking Ramby. I don't really give a fuck, I ride on like candy. Niggas wanna see me, blow it off the candy. Niggas wanna see me, Xannies like the Ken 3. Molly in my fucking zone, liquor in my fucking zone, lean in my fucking zone. I can't even go home. Blow it off the fucking Molly, blow it off the fucking kush. Yeah, I'm off this beat, bitch, like fucking George Bush.